जो खरीदना है खरीद ले. I'm just like, I'm not talking about those. Let me give you a demo. Online have sold me this, and if I don't try, I might regret after I die. It's okay. You regret after trying rather than before. आगे बहुत कुछ होगा यार. This can't be it. Let me not expose myself more. Hi everyone, I'm Anaida. Welcome to my side of the world. If you want full context about this video, a little bit more about me, I would recommend you to watch these two videos that are already out on my channel. But no pushing, nothing. आप ये वीडियो पहले देख लो, उसके बाद जाके देख लेना. कुछ सीक्वेंस में नहीं है. Anything would do. Now, this girl had put herself on a 30-day soft challenge, which is like a fitness challenge or more like a discipline and being consistent challenge. Again, I'm here every week sharing my experiences, things I ate, things I bought, apps I used, and many more. Every successful week that I completed, I got to buy something, and there was no budget restriction, nothing. I would buy whatever I want. And today I'm going to take you through what did I really buy. So yeah, this is going to be an exciting video. So let's get into it. Before I share what did I buy, I think it's very important for you to just understand my buying philosophy. Okay, I'm not a chindi, I'm not a miser person. It's just that I put a lot of thought behind buying anything, be it cosmetic, be it jewelry, be it furniture, be it a bed sheet, be it food, whatever. I do put some amount of thought, and instead of doing some impulsive or mindless shopping. For me, it has to be value for money. It has to be valuable for me and something I won't regret buying later. I don't like to waste a lot of stuff. Like, we don't have a proper way of disposing things that we don't need. We can donate, but a lot of people don't donate. They just end up throwing away stuff. So I am a little more mindful about it, that I want to enjoy shopping. I want to buy whatever I want to, but I need to know if this is going to go for long term or is it something short term, and if it is short term, how will I give it away, where will I store, and all that. Okay, enough talks. Now my hands are itching to show you what did I buy. So now let's get into reward number 1. This was actually reward number 2, but I'm going to show you this first so that I can use it from the rest of my video. So let's get into it. Alright guys, are you ready for reward number 1? I had to stand for this. The first thing I got is it's a carpet. Now first, let me put this on the floor, sit on it, and then take you through why did I get a carpet. For me, this was in my cart for a very long time. Okay, my home is very simple, basic. I like the floor. It's very cool. In Bangalore, right, you all must know the weather is quite good. So I keep my windows open, and because of that, sometimes there's a lot of dust that comes in. Okay, and I don't want to hoard a lot of things which would require a lot of cleaning, and carpets do require dry cleaning time to time. I wanted an area where if people want to take out their shoes or they want to be barefoot, or actually people are very comfortable walking barefoot, and I think it's a culture in South India which is great. Even I like to, but I already know like there is so much dust around, and my feet is going to get dirty every time I have to go and wash my feet, so I'm just not used to it. So I thought maybe I'll get a carpet which will cover one area, especially my sofa area where I have my TV, so that I can be barefoot. I can, even if I want, I can sit on the carpet, I can sit on the floor, I can do my painting or other things I want to do, I can watch TV. So this is the reason I got this carpet. I got this from a brand called Kaleen India. I really love the prints they had online. They all the prints look very intriguing, and color combinations are very light. Green, pink, purple, blue, and if you go and see their other collection also, they are very unique to how usually carpets look. Okay, it has an anti-slip grip. This is something I wanted. I didn't want a cheap carpet which will keep moving here and there with every step. So it sticks to one place. It looks amazing. I love the combination of green and pink and little bit of Indianized design. So I think this fit, and it's not even a big carpet. It's a very like small, put it for a select place. And yeah, I thought this was a good purchase, and I'm actually very happy with this purchase. And I just think they have a lot of lint, a bit of lint on the surface. So if your feet is dry, it might stick to your foot. I was just expecting it to be a bit more softer, which it is. It's okay. It's absolutely like a carpet, but I wanted something very furry, very soft and all that. But I think I should have just gone for a different kind of carpet. But I think this is perfect. I love it. I can't wait to, probably when I have a bigger house, I'll get a bigger carpet. And now with that, let's go to reward number 1, which is my favorite. See, my first reward. This was the first thing I bought, and I love it. Okay, I got this. Is a neck shoulder massager mainly. but I can like use it on my arms. Sometimes when I have cramps, I can use it. I can use it on my back. I can use it on my calves, like this. And I'm gonna show, I'll show a demo, but let me quickly tell you why did I get this. Okay, during the challenge I was working out a lot and muscle soreness was a very real thing. I think a lot of people would already know this. Now usually whenever I have a body pain or I have some ache, I end up booking a spa session, or I go for a massage, or I call a didi home from Yes Madam or Urban Company, and they usually cost, like a good massage costs at least 1K. Okay, and of course nothing can beat what the professionals do. These machines cannot be compared to that. But every time I spend so much money, I thought there are days when I just want a back massage, or I just want for 10 minutes someone to just like help me get rid of the soreness which I have in my shoulder, or my arms are paining. For that I wanted something, so I came across this one, and this was showing on my social media sites a lot. Okay, I thought name looks fake, like I don't know ये इंडिया में मिलता भी है कि नहीं, but ये इंडिया में मिलता है guys. So now let me give you a demo. What happens is you put it like this. Okay, if you want you can just hold it, and that's how it works. I know maybe it might look creepy, but it's doing the job really well. Actually, hold on. Look at that. Okay, we don't have much time, so I gotta quickly tell you the other things also. It also has heating pads. You can't see it right now, it's on. If I want I can switch it off. Now see, it can easily sit on my fat arm and do the same. Okay, so good for my calf muscles, it's so good. Yeah, and there are two speeds, one is fast, one is slow. I like the slow one because the fast one over here hurts. It's not massage, it hurts. Okay, so yeah, let me not expose myself more. You can buy it on Amazon, you can get it on Flipkart and other websites. The thing is, it's out for different prices. Now depending on the retailer, maybe the price matters. I went for the slightly expensive one because I didn't want to take any risk. I got it for I think 3.5k rupees. Is it worth it? I think if you are someone who likes massages and you know 10 minutes 15 minutes ka massage chahiye mujhko, get this buddy, it's good. It's not something massive and take much space. It's very compact. I like color and kind of reminds me of Baby Hulk. It's like, looks like Baby Hulk's hand, you know. The quality is very good, quality is damn nice. So that was my reward number one, which I'm showing it on too. So women, you gotta want to hear this if you're into makeup, because I did buy a few. This reward wasn't about buying cosmetics or makeup. I rewarded myself the feeling that जो खरीदना है खरीद ले, and जैसा भी हो do not regret. Okay, but if you have this itch in your heart कि you want to try this product once, and cosmetics is not something that the exact one you want you'll get it from a friend, you'll try it. अगर है तो very good, but नहीं मिलता इतना. And most of them have been selling online. आपको मॉल में भी जाओगे तो वो पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड शायद नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि सब ऑनलाइन ऑपरेट करते हैं. And when it comes to cosmetics, I don't like buying cheap products, but I don't even like buying too expensive products. I like to stay somewhere in between 500 600, knowing the brand is really good. So whenever there's anything basic that I use on a regular basis which goes beyond 1k, I'm just like, do I really need it? Like iske bahut dupes bhi honge. There are so many other brands that are doing so well and has such lovely shade, but do I need to get this? And the answer is yes, I want to get this because people online have sold me this, and if I don't try, I might regret after I die. So I'm just going to quickly show you what all did I buy. Did I like them, not like them? I'll create a separate video on that because इसमें इतना time नहीं है. I bought NYX Lip Ivy. I got two different color of tints, and women who are into makeup, they know this is a big deal. It's a big deal. I got this. I got Maybelline's Lip Plumper. No, it's not the injection thingy. Okay, it does plump up your lips, and I vouch for this. This is very good. Girls, women, whoever is watching this, get it if you are thinking. Get this one. And then I got DM Beauty's Glass Lip Balm. This one, I mean, wasn't very happy, but I know if I wouldn't buy this and it would have gone off market, I would have regretted not trying. So it's okay. You regret after trying rather than before. You regret after trying rather than before. You know, I'm just so grateful that I am earning enough to really try these things out. Like, how lucky am I, and I'm fortunate, I'm so grateful. And that is the reason I don't want to waste money, because there are people who are just struggling to, you know, we know the story, we know the story. So I am utterly grateful to do this, and I, in future, if I get a lot of subscribers, I'm going to start something where I am able to share things I want, and I don't want them anymore want to buy new things, but someone else is out there who wants to buy that from me or take it from me. I will be happy to send it off. But anyway, for that I need subscribers, and please subscribe for that if you are into that idea. Things I bought. If you want a full review of how these are, women, please drop a comment. I am going to cover it for you. Lighting is going for a toss, so don't mind. अगर tube light on हो जाए तो please don't mind. Alright guys, if you want to see my next reward, you gotta come with me. This is going to be fun. This is the one which you tell me, does this seem like a reward or a punishment or something very good as a purchase, which is a pull-up rod. What? Okay, hold on. Okay. I started working out so much, so bloody much, that I thought I can easily do a pull-up. Okay, I really thought I can easily do a pull-up. So, I don't know, making my body fitter, and if I'm able to do a pull-up, it is a reward, right? So, and I am too shy to do it in a gym or in a class where there are other people who are just doing it so seamlessly, and I'll just be hanging like a big dodo. So I got this rod, and it helps me do many other exercises. So just look at this arm. Okay, I love it. I mean, I'm yet to get better, but I can practice without any shame or anything. Okay, this was hard, so I ended up getting the band also, which helps with a lot of different exercises. Come on, guys. I thought this was supposed to be a little longer, which is not. So now, this is what I have to do. This. Whoa. Okay. Okay, let's check. Oh, whoa. It's a nice swing. It's a nice swing. What do you think? And, uh, yeah. You know what? I thought the stretchability is so good. Maybe I can just use it as a not happening, as a swing. So you can say whatever. I like it. Okay, guys, it's time for our next reward. Let me pull it up. Okay, it's very basic. Do not laugh at this, but I like it. It's my foldable bed working table. Ah, yeah. Oh wow, I can actually use it like for my content creation and all. Oh my god, why did I think of that? Oh, because I had to reveal that this was a reward. Okay, why is this a reward? You ask. If you're not asking, let me tell you. I don't have a lot of furniture at home. I stay out of home for work, and I don't like to hold a lot of stuff when I know that I might have to move out depending on where my job takes me. So I am a big advocate, again, you may say, of sorry, guys, relax, please. I'm a big advocate of foldable furniture because I like more space, and I don't want furniture to take a lot of it. But I also need things like this to keep my stuff on, to keep my ass on. Since I don't have a proper work from home setup with a big chair, big table, I do end up working, sitting out of the bed or on sofa. एंड मैं जिम जाके इतना बैक कर रही हूँ, इतना अपना posture ठीक कर रही हूँ, एंड घर आके अगर मैं ऐसे ही काम करूंगी तो कैसे चलेगा, राइट? Okay, now see, this can go up like this, it can incline, so my laptop can be on this. There is a very small cute stuff. I don't know, can you see it? There's a small drawer also. I don't know what will I keep in this. I was just postponing it कि do I really need it, क्योंकि मेरे घर पे already एक table है. So I'm like कि यार इसका क्या काम? But then I thought that not only it will help me work, two three things will come out of it. One, I was also planning to paint this. Okay, I really like this color, but I will find some idea, some design from Pinterest, and one day I'm going to sit on a Sunday or a Saturday and paint this. Second, since one side of my bed is always filled a little cluttered with my laptop, my Kindle, my headphones. Sometimes when I use the massager, it's there. The bed, usually my bed is clean, but the thing is, मेरे पूरे room में एक छोटा सा ही table, and there is no other space to keep more tables. Okay, and that small table already has one decor. I keep a candle there, and it has the wire extension. तो इतनी जगह नहीं है वहाँ पे laptop and ये सब रखने का. So then I thought that I can use this for work. And once I'm done with work, I can put it down and I can keep my laptop and other things on this. And this can be easily moved to drawing room if I'm sitting in the balcony, or if some guests come over and उनको मतलब एकदम सामने table नहीं चाहिए, side में table चाहिए. This is great. So I mean, It's a good purchase, right? Hold on, hold on. Can you see the vision? Can you see the vision? And also sit with my legs on the other side. And but ever since I bought it, I don't think I've sat on the floor with this. I just got this idea कि मैं bed पे बैठ के क्यों काम करती हूँ. And when I am not working, I can eat on this. Again, I can sit anywhere and eat on this and not worry about spilling anything on the bed or sofa. It's foldable. It is so light and there are many more colors available. I have to go and check if they are still there, but I'm going to link it for you. I got it from Flipkart. It's there on Amazon also, but Amazon is not delivering to my location. I don't know why, don't ask. But yeah, that's it. It's good, right? Alright guys, with that I have reached the end of this video. I hope you had fun. थोड़ा मस्ती हुआ, थोड़ा मस्ती लगा आप लोगों को. Oh my god, what Hindi is this? I had great fun again going back to everything I gifted and the joy I felt when I unwrapped the package, and I don't regret buying anything, and I'm still like, it's been I think 20 days or a month ever since I've finished the challenge, and I've been using everything that I've got. So my next video, I won't call it, it might get a little serious because the topic might be not perceived in the right scale by everyone. I read the book Death by Sadhguru. Like, my challenge was to also read 10 pages of the book I'm reading. So this is the book that I read. And I would like to just share some insights from the book, okay? A lot of people are not comfortable talking about death. I am not one of those. I am very curious to know what goes beyond life. What else is there beyond just our reality, what we do on a daily basis. मतलब इसके आगे बहुत कुछ होगा यार. This can't be it. There is so much more, right? And I think this book helped me shatter a lot of myths, understand a lot of concepts. So it can go deep. A little bit of Ranveer Alabadia might come out of me, okay? But I'm not going to make it serious. I'm just going to share some insights which might help. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you had fun through this, and thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. Bye.